Eat all. You're walking for your food. It's okay. Nobody's going to eat with you. It's just you. O, diba? Pakain muna ako. Papayo! Ba't mo nilalakaran yung pagkain mo? Silikat. The food is there. I give you some more. Eat slowly. Sit down and eat. Eat slowly, okay? Nagpakain muna ako sa pusa, guys. Kahit malate ako, sabihin ko, ay nako, pasensya ka, nagpakain muna ako ng pusa, kahit na late ako. Mas cute ang may-ari ng meow. Ano lang ito? Papayu, stray cat. Walang may-ari, kawawa naman. Palagi ako may dalang pagkain ng pusa sa bag ko kasi pag may nasasalubong akong pusa, papakainin ko. That's why I have food in my purse, you see? Russell, may mega shout out, ma'am. Ayan. Akin na lang po yan. Yung alin ang pusa? Kung sana pwedeng ampunin ko ulit, mahirap kasi maraming pusa sa bahay. Lalaki pa naman ito, nakipag-away ito pag ano. O lalaki siya, may ball siya, laki ng ball niya, Yung aking pusa walang ball kasi pinaputol ko na. Pinadoktor ko yung aking pusa, yung inampun ko na pusa. Kaya kataba-taba niya. Eat all, okay? I have to go to my work, okay, baby? I don't wanna be late. Okay? I have to go to work, okay? You eat your food, okay? Oh, parang gutom na gutom siya, guys. You eat all, okay? Eat all your food, okay? Don't step on it. You're stepping to your food. You silly cat. Don't step. You're stepping over your food. Oh, gusto niya kasi i-rub ko siya, gusto niyang i-rub ko siya na ganito, Di ba yung pusa gustong-gusto nilang i-rub mo yung ulo nila ganito, Kaya hinahabol yung kamay ko kasi gusto niya i-rub ko yung kanyang ulo ganito. I-rub you now, okay? Because I have to go to work. Alright? Now eat your food here. Here, don't step. Gusto niyang i-rub ko yung ulo niya, guys. Gusto niya magpaampon. Okay, I rub you, but now I have to go, okay? Bye-bye, meow meow. Eat all your food, okay? Bye-bye. I don't have water. Mabait na pusa kasi walang may-ari. Baka tumakas lang ito. Alam niyo ng isang like 2 months ago, guys, yung may pusa na nawawala dito. Talaga, pag mahanap yung pusa niya, magbabayad siya ng 4,000. Pag may makakita sa pusa niya, yung tapos ibalik sa kanya, bibigyan daw niya ng 4,000. I'm going to give you more, okay? Then I have to go. I think that's enough. Enough? Bye-bye. I'm going, okay? If I see you again, I will give you more food, okay? Bye-bye. I gotta go, guys. Bye, meow, meow. Woof. Kain po ako ng pusa. Ayan, na-late na tuloy ako dahil kay pusa. Mami, dito mag-end ako soon, mami. In 3 minutes. In 3 minutes, mag-end ako. Hindi ako nakaka-screen cast kasi nga sabi ko sa'yo, nagbablock yung aking screen. Hindi ko alam kung why. And why. Let me go. Dito ako. Morning. Ay, sorry guys, na-shaky na ako. Nag-shaky na. Ay, thank you everyone. Salamat sa inyong support in this early morning live. It's just a quick one. I'm going to end soon.